Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you block someone on Viber app. So first of all, just go to your Viber app. Now into the Viber app, just go to the contact that you want to block. Just like I'm going to this one. Now just click the top right, the three dot icon, and click on chat info. Now here you can see block this contact here, this one. Just click on it, and by just clicking it you can just block the contact that you want. So guys, that's how you can block contact on Viber. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.